Welcome to our deep dive into the 3GPP Release 17 Non-Terrestrial Network standards. These groundbreaking standards integrate non-terrestrial networks like satellites and high-altitude platforms with terrestrial 5G networks for a seamless communication ecosystem. NTNs play a critical role in enabling global connectivity, reaching areas and populations previously unattainable. With Release 17, we enter an era that expands the boundaries of communication beyond terrestrial limits. Join us as we explore how these standards aim to revolutionize global connectivity, revealing the technical innovations and challenges that make this incredible leap possible. In modern telecommunications, 3GPP Release 17 standards mark a pivotal moment in the development of non-terrestrial networks. We encounter advanced beamforming techniques that bolster signal strength and precision, offering fundamental enhancements in handling signal accuracy from space-based platforms. Improved handover procedures ensure seamless connectivity as users move between different network areas, essential in our ever-shifting environment. Sophisticated interference management techniques are another cornerstone, maintaining robust and reliable connections even in busy network scenarios. They ensure communications remain clear and uninterrupted despite overlapping signals. However, implementing these standards presents unique challenges, from vast distances to the intricacies of satellite and ground station coordination. Overcoming these hurdles demonstrates the ingenuity driving the telecommunications industry forward. As we explore these technical feats, we'll see how they lay the groundwork for practical applications in the world of 3GPP Release 17. Stay with us to discover these innovations' profound impacts on our connected future. With the adoption of 3GPP Release 17 non-terrestrial network standards, groundbreaking applications emerge. The promise of uninterrupted global coverage is a game-changer for IoT devices, ensuring connectivity everywhere. This reliability is crucial for emergency services, enabling swift, coordinated responses. Moreover, these standards expand broadband access to rural and underserved areas, bridging the digital divide. The maritime and aviation industries benefit significantly from robust communication channels that enhance safety and operational efficiency. As we delve into these applications, it's clear that 3GPP Release 17 revolutionizes individual sectors, bringing us closer to a truly interconnected world. These standards shape future innovations, ensuring seamless global connectivity. Looking to the future, 3GPP Release 17 sets the foundation for further telecommunications innovations. By bridging the digital divide, these standards transform connectivity and communication. From rural areas to urban centers, the potential is limitless, paving the way for a more connected and inclusive future.